Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Rizvi here. Welcome back to my channel. This video is a quick announcement video that from now on I'll be posting contents in English in this channel. I've been trying to put contents in Bangla for quite a while, but the result was not good. I was not reaching as many as people I'd want. And since I'm trying to take YouTubing very seriously, I want to reach a lot of people and try to help them with my content and everything, but it's not quite possible with Bangla, I guess. At least I'm not getting the traction that I wanted from my content, so I'm switching to English, and I hope that it will help me to reach more people, because the videos that have highest views in my channel are in English. So I'm taking that route, and I hope that you guys are going to be with me throughout my entire journey. I'll start posting videos regularly very soon. Till then, take care and stay safe. Allah Hafiz.